Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. So hatching means, hatching is the to fill any enclosed area by a pattern to
Giving
create
shades.
yes,
Giving shades, sir.
yes, giving shades. If you this shades will help in the to create any section view, right? Just
Yes.
we are just see the example. See this example. You can easily see in this picture the material is cut by, right? The shaded area is denoted for the solid region part. Yes,
Okay.
and this hollow part is
Yes.
leaving for the hole.
Okay.
And I taking the another example from the civil engineering. See, this is your section view. The walls and slab of this window is already filled with your concrete material. See,
Okay.
you can
Yes.
easily identify that this material filled with any material is the wall or any filled with any hatching pattern, right?
Okay.
You are getting my point or not? Which I am trying to
Yeah.
give
Those
explanation.
those region were filled with hatching, sir.
Yes, we have different types of which like the
Hatchings.
architecture. Yes, this is your hatching
Okay.
patterns. See, this is your staircase section, right? You can easily see,
Yes, sir.
you can easily identify that this wall is filled with any material, the section of wall, yes,
Yes, sir.
so is filled with the hatching pattern. And this column, see, now you can easily see. Save this image. See, now this is the bigger one. The wall is filled with hatching pattern and your ground
Yes.
floor is filled with a different hatching pattern to differentiate between the brick wall and the floor. And all
Okay.
the wall is filled with the same pattern to identify that this is the walls. So this is your floor filled with another different pattern, right?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
by this hatching pattern, you can create differentiate between the objects. You
Is
can
there a
apply,
specific
yes,
hatching design, sir, for walls and floor
yes, yes.
brick?
Just I'm going to elaborate. See, we have different patterns. If you want to
Okay.
specify the concrete, we have a specific concrete pattern. You just select it and see like this, right?
Yes, sir.
If you want to apply the brickwork, this is your brickwork,
Okay.
right? If you want to apply this pattern, now this is a clearly white, you can give the scale factor to increase the distance between these lines like this, right? We have this, this is the roof, this pattern used for the roof. and this pattern is used for the earth, right? And this is brick, this is the breaststone, right? This is earth. So we have different types of, this is a glass pattern, right? See, this is the grass. If you sow the grass in your ground, you have grass. If you specify the gate, this is your gate pattern. Great. Honey, hags. If you have some marble stones, you can apply this gravel, right? We have different types of hatchings. You can assign with your requirement, right?
Okay, sir.
So
How to apply hatch in that, sir?
you can just click and finish from the close hatching like this. The hatching is filled in this any closed area. But if you have any open surface, right? If you have any open surface like this and like this, right?
Okay.
So for this we have another option, hatch. Select this part. For the any closed enclosed area, you have to select this tick point. For any open area, we have select the boundary objects. For this part, you can select this and this line and this line. See, the hatch pattern will fill up to this point because the next line, if the AutoCAD draw the next line, just outside this line. That's why this is filled in the this region only. If you change the angle of this hatching from here, now the angle is 0. To increase this angle, see the changes happen. See, this is the parallel lines. This is filled up to here, but this is not filled this line because if we draw the next hedge pattern is outside the this line. That's why this is not able to fill. Right? You select these lines like this. Okay. Now for this opening, you can select this line and this line, but there is no hedge pattern because this hedge pattern is on 45 degree. So if you have the line in the base, it is only when drawn when we have the baseline. But if you change the angle at 90 degree, so see the line is drawn, hedge pattern with these angles. So this is the property by which we can apply any in hatching in closed area or any one-sided open region and two-sided open region. If you have to apply the color to this hatching, you can select the color from this part, right? And this is your hatch transparency. This is the you have create the lightweight light color of your hatch pattern like this. This is your hatch transparency, right?
Yes, sir.
So now I think you are understand this hatch patterns, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have another option as gradient. First we are going to discuss about this wipeout. Wipeout is the command to cut the hatch pattern, or you can remove hatch in the specific area like this.
Okay.
Right? Wipeout means to remove hatch according to their size like this, any hatch pattern. right? If you delete this, the object will remain the same, right?
Yes.
In the hatching, we have another command as gradient. Gradient means you have to fill the boundary with color. You have filled the value boundary with color. You just select this pick point option and click on this, right? And if you want to select the color with this, there is a true color combination. If you want to fill with single color, you have to select the both the colors same, right? And click on the close button. But see, my hatching pattern is hide behind the gradient. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have the two options to bring in the front the hatching pattern. या तो आप hatching pattern को आगे ले आओ, या send back the gradient pattern, या gradient को पीछे send कर दो. You can select any one. This is your gradient, and go to the option and send it to back. So you can see the hatch pattern and the gradient both are seen to you, right?
Okay.
So this is the gradient part. Okay, this is your 3D polyline which are using in the 3D, not in the 2D plane. Similarly, the helix also a 3D, because the circle is the 2D wireframe and the height provided in the 3D. That's why helix also is used in the 3D part. So this is the donut. Donut we have specify the inside diameter as 10 and specify outer diameter as 15. So see, this is your donut like this. The inside diameter of your donut is 10 and outside diameter is 15.
50.
Right? This is the
You have to
example
mention
of,
it, sir. Diameter.
no, you don't mention, but you have to enter the value for this.
Okay. Means how many number of donuts needed?
How many of?
How many donuts needed? That value we have to mention it.
No. It depends on your click. If you activate the donut, he
Okay.
is asked inside diameter. You can specify as 20, right?
Inside donut. Okay.
Specify the outside the diameter of donut. Specify
Outside.
25.
Okay.
You can click like this.
This is what I asked, sir.
Okay. You can click as many as times as you want to create many donuts, right? So this is your donut, and now we have
These are all comes in a designing part, right?
these donuts. Donut.
Yes, sir. Where it is used?
This
No,
command is
where it is used, sir?
This command is rarely used,
Okay, sir.
right? In civil engineering, you can use for the lighting symbols,
Okay.
right? And you
Okay,
can
sir.
specify some circles for your plantations. You can use for their own purpose as you want. This is not for the any specific purpose or any specific reason.
Okay.
In this example, you can see this donuts created for the pin holes for the PCB,
Okay. PCB.
right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Or in the another example is used for the man on wheelchair,
Yes. For
and
a
donut
sign.
used for your head.
Okay.
So you can use if you specify inside diameter as 0, right? You can use specified inside diameter as 0 and outer diameter as 25. See,
Okay.
the whole circle is filled with pattern or any solid color.
So for head.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now the next command is revision cloud.
Rectangular.
This is they have revision cloud as polygon and the freehand sketch and rectangular. This revision cloud, you heard about the revision?
Yes, sir.
What was that?
At the final time, getting once again revision,
Yes,
which we studied before.
yes. If you send me any drawing,
Yeah.
yes, and I am the
Okay.
customer, and
Okay.
if I know the AutoCAD, and you send me the
Okay.
AutoCAD file, then
Okay.
I mark on the drawing like this
Okay.
and write a note for this revision cloud that there is this mistake. You can change it
Okay.
to that one. This is the
Okay.
markup only. This
Mark.
command is used
Okay.
for the markup. Right?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
revision cloud command is clear. For rectangular, this is shape is as rectangular type, like this. Right?
Okay, sir.
I think this command is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in the draw command, all the commands is clear to you.
Yes.
Now moving to the modify command. In the modify, just we have first command as set to the layer by layer. This command is what I told you when we are discussing about the layers, right?
Yes.
And next command is change space. This is also for the first command in the modify is lengthen. What is the lengthen? Lengthen means changes the length of object and include the angle of arcs. Right? If you want to change the length of your line, we have created 100 mm length. Right? This is your line of 100 mm. So if you want to change the length of this line by the lengthen command, so you can create type len to activate the lengthen command, right? And press enter and click on. Before the click, see the command window. In the command window, we have 4 options. First is delta, second one is percentage, third one is total, and final is dynamic. So first we do this delta option. What do you mean by delta?
Angle.
Sorry?
Angle.
Angle, not a Vilas. Angle name. Girish, delta. Delta is a you can heard about in the engineering subjects also, mathematics, in physics,
Yes, sir. Delta.
or even in chemistry also.
It comes in a rectangular shape, sir.
Yes, yes. This is the symbol.
Yes.
Not rectangle, triangle shape.
Triangle.
Sorry. Triangle, sir. Sorry. A rectangle. A triangle.
Triangle shape.
Yes. Triangle.
So what was that use? And what is the meaning of delta? Delta means change.
Yes. In chemistry. Yes.
Delta means change, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How much length you want to change in this line? First you specify, you want to increase the size or decrease the size?
Increase.
Decrease.
Hmm.
How much length?
15.
15. Okay. You just activate the delta by pressing the DE, enter, right? And specify the delta length. So you are going to decrease this length. You have to specify the minus sign against your distance.
Okay.
If you are going to increase the length, you have specify the positive distance.
Okay, sir.
You can press enter and click on the line. See, the length 15 is decreased from the line,
Yes, sir.
and if you click again, the again 15 length is deleted from the line. Now, if you want to delete from the another endpoint, you can click on the near to that point like this.
Okay.
So now this option is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
In a single click, single selection, we can do multi times changes. Sir.
Yes. Every time the same distance will detect it from the line.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The next option is, now we are going to see how much line is length remaining to us. This is the 55, right?
Yes, sir.
So now the next option is the percentage option. How much?
Percentage.
So you are going to increase or decrease the size of this line?
Increase.
Decrease.
Right? Increase or decrease?
Increase कर दो सर.
अच्छा चलो इंक्रीज कर देते हैं. कितना इंक्रीज करना चाहते हो?
25.
25. ओके. तो ये बताइए 25 is what percentage of 55?
30%.
30%. Sure.
No, sir. One, sir. No, not 30, sir. 60%, I think.
I am getting the exact value.
Okay.
You can calculate 25 divided by 55
Yes, sir.
and
Into
multiply by 100.
45%.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
45. No, is more than 45. Is more than the 55.
25
This-
divided by 25, 40, 55 into 100.
Yes, is 45.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure.
Okay. 25 divided by 55 into 100. 45.4545, sir.
Yes.
45.
Okay. Okay. Now, so what percentage this line is at? What is the percentage of this line?
100%.
Yes, very good, Avinash. This line itself as 100%.
Yes, sir.
How many percentage you want to increase? 45.45.
Yes, sir.
So it become 145.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can click on the percentage option and specify as 145.4545, right? And press
Okay.
enter and click on this line. Now see the distance. It become 80,
80. Yes, sir.
25 plus 55.
Sir,
Yes.
now we want to increase 45% in
Yes.
right side, sir. How can we increase, sir?
Okay. Just press
Yeah.
LEN
Okay.
and go to the percentage. And what percentage you want to increase?
Same, sir. 45%.
145, right?
Ah.
And click on the right hand side, nearer
Oh.
to the right side corner, end point.
Not on the end point, near to end point.
Yes, near to end point.
What happens,
If
sir,
you-
if we select on the end point only?
No problem. You can select. You
Okay.
can select anywhere from the midpoint.
Okay.
It become in the line of midpoint. If you select anywhere beside the endpoint in the left side, the line will increase in the left side. If you select the point from right side of your midpoint, the line will increase in the right side.
Right, sir. Okay, sir.
Now the percentage part is complete.
Yes, sir.
Now next part is total.
Total.
So what was the total distance you want for this line?
Okay. 100, sir.
100. So
Yeah.
you know the distance of this line
No.
at this time?
No, sir.
Yes, we know. Is the length of this wall is
Okay. 80. No,
80.
something.
More than 80 because I increased the 145%.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't know the length of this line, but I want this line as 100 mm.
100.
So I am going to click on the total and type 100 and click on this line. If this line is less than 100, the line increase up to the 100. If
Okay.
this line is more than 100, the line is decrease up to the 100, right? Now
Yes, sir.
currently this is the more than 100.
Yeah.
That's why the line is decreasing. So now this line is perfect 100,
100.
right?
Yes, sir.
No problem?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़े?
Yes, sir.
The next part is
Dynamic.
dynamic. Dynamic means you can increase as per your requirement by stretching it in any direction like this.
There is no any specific length.
Yes, you can specify the length also in negative direction or as well as in positive direction.
Okay, sir.
If you increase the line from the endpoint as 25, you can specify as 25 and click enter. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now the next command is break. Yes, break. Break means you can break the line with the gap. You can
Yes, sir.
break the line with gap. Now in this example, I specify the 2 points, first and second. Right? The first point is the start point of your gap and second point is the end point of your gap, right?
Yes, sir.
You can activate the break command and option is select object. If you select the line by a click, so this click work as the first point. Just click here and this point is like work as first point.
Okay.
And specify the second point for the distance 100. So see, this is the gap of 100.
Break line.
Break length,
Okay, sir.
right? Now
Yes.
another command is join. If you want to join these lines without any breakpoint, you can just click these two lines and press enter. See, there is no breakpoint even in the line. But condition for the join, these lines are the collinear line. If these two lines are not collinear, this line, this command is not working.
Okay.
Right? Any other doubt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Both the lines should be in a equal lines, sir.
No, not equal, but
Oh,
in the collinear lines.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next command is break at point. This command is also used for the break the line, but this is without gap. You can activate the break at point command and select the object. Click on the object and specify the break point anywhere in the line. I am giving the break point on the midpoint. Click on this point. Now the line is divided into two parts like this. Right?
Okay.
Now understand?
yeah.
It
Okay.
is broke, but it doesn't visible, sir. It don't visible it.
Because this the end point and start point at same point. That's why.
Okay, sir.
This is break the line at point without any gap. Like this. You can see from the outside that this is the single line. But if you click any part, that you come to know that the line is into two parts.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
In the break part. So this is the commands for the today. Today we have learned about the reason, wipeout, hatching, gradient, donut, revision cloud, lengthen command, and break at point,
Yeah.
and the join command. Remaining we
What
do.
about above one, sir?
Which one? This one?
Above. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, I told you tomorrow. These lines,
Okay. Okay, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can do practice for these commands, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye and good day and take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye bye.